Hi guys, for all those who like minimal makeup, this tutorial is for you, so keep watching. Firstly, I start by using a light concealer as an eyeshadow base. I'm using Tarte concealer over here, gently dabbing it with loose powder. Now using a very light brown shade for the crease line and blending it nicely. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade on the outer corners of the eye and blending it with the crease line. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm applying a gold shimmer shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. If you wish, you can also apply loose glitter or pressed glitter over this. But I'm keeping it minimal, so I'm just applying this. Now I'm also applying it with fingers to give it extra intensity. See the difference. Now I'm using a highlighter shade from Becca on outer corners and the eyebrow arch. Now I'm using a black kajal from Recode and then smudging it with a black eyeshadow. Now I am using a toner from Pixie. This is a Pixie Glow toner. Now I'm using the moisturizer. Remember not to drag it but to dab it so that it's absorbed inside your skin. Now I'm applying a lip mask from Laneige. Don't forget the lips, as lips are very important. Now I'm applying face oil by Milagro. Trust me, it's one of the best oils we have. Now I'm applying primer from Smashbox. This is their photo finish primer. Now I'm using a dark concealer from Tarte, under eyes and around the areas of the mouth which are usually dark. Applying a very thin layer under the eyes so that the makeup doesn't turn cakey. Now blending it with a damp beauty blender. I'm using a small beauty blender from Tarte. Now I'm using the foundation from NARS. Again, a very thin layer of foundation. So this is basically a minimal, you can say a very subtle kind of makeup. Usually bridal makeups are a little heavy, but some clients like it subtle, so this is a very subtle makeup tutorial. Again, blending it with a damp beauty blender. This beauty blender is from London Pride. Make sure you keep your hands very soft. Now I'm using light concealer from Tarte again. I'm usually mix two shades for concealer. Again, blending it with the beauty blender. Next, I'm using a liquid blush from O2O. You can use any liquid blush or a pink lipstick as well. I'm using the loose powder from Laura Mercier. Gently dabbing the excess loose powder on my beauty blender on rest of the face. Now I'm defining the brows with Forever 52 gel brow liner. Again, keeping it very natural. Dusting off the excess powder. Now I'm using blush from MAC. The shade is Melba. It's a beautiful shade. Using a powder contour from Benefit. It's their Hula bronzer. Now locking off the makeup with Urban Decay setting spray and using the highlighter from Dior Backstage range. There was an issue in filming the last part, so next I've done under eyes. I've applied black kajal and smudged it with a brown eyeshadow, and I've also done the lips. Lipstick is from Smashbox. Look at this beautiful bride.